Hello everyone, this is the tutorial for level 19 of the URC. So this will be a little bit of accumulation of everything we've learned as well, but we have one more new concept, or we have another one in the next level as well, but here's another new concept. We have the music tree and the music door. So again, to get past the ghost, we need to play the two sounds, but we have this door, and we don't know how to open it yet, but the music tree will tell us how to. All right, let's get started. So we want to move forward, right? So let's have CW clockwise for M1 and M2, and let's have a power of 100 for both. And then, as you can see, we're about to hit this ghost, so let us repeat twice that scary A sound. All right. Now, after 2 seconds of going forward past the ghost, we got to break. So let's break both. And let's see what the music tree has to tell us. All right. B, C. Okay, so we got to play the B key and the C key. Let's start over. All right. So after we get there, let's wait a second and reverse. So to reverse, we need our power again, going counterclockwise. So don't forget to change both motors and both to counterclockwise. Okay. Then we're going to go counterclockwise for about 1.5 seconds. All right. And then after going backwards, we want to turn right. So to turn right, the left motor needs to go forward and the right needs to go backwards. We're already moving backwards, so we just set the M2 to go clockwise. And we're going to turn for 3.8 seconds. And then to go forward, we just make the other motor go forward. And then after 1.6 seconds, let's stop in front of the door. Don't forget to change both. Okay. And let's play that sound. So we said B and then C. Let's put some time in between those keys. See if it does anything. Bum, bum. All right. Make sure it's still the same key. All right. B and C. All right. Turning. All right. And it opens the door. Yes, it does. All right. So after opening that door, let us go forward again. So we're going to go forward clockwise. And we want to push the ball that we saw, this ball, into here. So we only want to go forward for about 1 second. We don't want to launch the ball off the map, right? And then we can start going counterclockwise backwards. All right. Let's see if everything works so far. So we're going to go forward, play the sound. Gonna go forward, gonna go backwards. All right. Play the sound. Drop the ball off. And going backwards. And we finished the level. Uh, but we fall off. So we're gonna want to break after a certain amount of time. I think good amount of time, 3 seconds. Home stretch, guys. All right. I'll try one more time, guys. All right. Get to the tree. Turn, turn, turn. Now, if it doesn't work again, uh, oh, and it works. All right. And oh my God, we complete the level, guys. All right. Thank you so much for your patience, and I will see you guys in the last level. Bye-bye.